that? Are you metalheads or what? Sissies! Huh? Oh, can you please tell me something? Did you like it or not? Or was it just that toy for you to play with when you're feeling down? You know why? Just I know what they do knows. Well, the things that try to hide from us, the reasons why. I said, where are those gigs when you need them now? But you can't get no. My heart was broken. I couldn't seem to fight. I was lost in my thoughts, but life wasn't over. And that's what you thought. Yeah, you walked out that door. Say no, 'cause we had some fun. We had some fun, yeah, without you. Yeah, you. Screw you. Papa puraru, papa punani. Get it to my floor, beat me to the ground. Ran a car over me, but don't call me crazy. Maybe just a fool, but nothing but my boy. Waiting for a swell to hit and stay, yeah. Waiting for the swell to hit home.